Hey, what's up everyone? This is Darryl, and today we're back with another episode of ADA, Ask Darryl Anything, where I answer your most burning questions, give you tips about marketing and life in general. Please be sure to like and follow us at Cyrus for more marketing content that'll help you skyrocket your business. What kind of marketing strategy do you prefer and why? Now, since I do work with mostly various local businesses, our marketing strategy differs depending on the results the client wants and what resources they have available. We always look at our customers' best interests, so this is why we usually package our solutions in 3 different models. One is DIY, do it with me, and do it for me. So DIY, do it yourself. Basically, it's when you know what you want for your business, you know how to interact with them, you have a general idea of how to market yourself. What we do is we provide you the tools and training to do the marketing on your own. Do it with me. This is a service where we take over most of the work, you do some of it. From there, we make sure that you're not occupied on the stuff that maybe you don't get. So maybe like SEO, we'll take care of that, but social media posting, you'll take care of that. That's how the do it with me kind of works. Now, do it for me. If you're busy, we do the work for you. It's all hands off. We learn about your business and we learn how to speak for your brand and market it correctly. But technically speaking, I like paid ads or pay-per-click because it's the fastest way to get customers. SEO is great, organic marketing results, but it takes time before people start ranking and seeing that traffic coming in. So I usually like to use SEO with Google Ads because there's like an opportunity gap, right? So with Google Ads, you're immediately appearing in searches versus SEO. Slowly, you're gradually getting up. It takes a few months to get in those rankings. So in that time, you're still appearing in these searches because of the Google Ads. And so that helps you hand in hand by using SEO with Google Ads to obtain greater results and outcomes. So if you want to get more tips, make sure to follow. And if you have any questions, please drop them below. You can also book a call for a free consultation. I'm happy to help you create a strategy to your business with its marketing system. See you in my next video.